Close. I've got all the individual parts to happen, but I'm not sure how to get them all to happen together at once. I can hit that with my head. I just need to do that at the right time? Except it's going the wrong direction. It's always going to send it off to the left now. How did I do that? Oh, I missed. Okay, well, that's not an easy thing to do, but that's doable. Don't hit the note block at all. Is the spring gonna activate it? I wouldn't expect that at all. Oh, of course. Wow. Wow. That took a handful of hints, but eventually we got it. Thank you for the submission.